Welcome to Horizon Science Academy Middle School Science. Today we are working on recreating Coca-Cola. We're focusing on our measuring skills, working together. This is our first time in our lab in a long time, so the students are very excited about it. They practice measuring, they practice hypothesizing, they practiced a lot of the basic skills of science for the first time, and they'll use these skills every Friday when they come here for a lab. This group did a fantastic job. I couldn't be more proud of them. 4 stations. You have 3 beakers. These mean trials. Each beaker will be a trial. The materials. You have sugar, you have cinnamon, you have lemon juice, you have lime juice, you have vanilla. The recipe to recreate Coca-Cola. So take a look at your data chart. Everybody look at your data chart. You are going to, let's take a look at it, folks, and then I'm going to let you loose. You are going to use your eyedroppers and hypothesize how many drops of lime juice or lemon juice you are going to need to create Coca-Cola. Whatever drops you decide, you're going to write that down. Because after the first trial, you're going to pour it into a Dixie cup and you're going to try trial 1. You might not like it. You probably won't like it. But what you're going to do is for trial 2, make the necessary changes. Trial 2, you're going to try it. Hopefully you're starting to like it. Then you're going to make the changes again. This is what we do every day in science and in business. Trial 3 is what you will give to me to try. Logan, what trial are you on?
1. It tastes actually kind of good though, a little bit. It tastes kind of good. I think we
Now,
it actually tastes like Coca-Cola.
Okay, so now talk about, think about Coke. What would you add? What would you change? Make sure that you have written down what the ingredients and how much, because then you're going to be able to say it needs a little bit more vanilla, so maybe 2 more drops of vanilla, or a little less cinnamon. And then you'll make trial number 2. You'll taste it, maybe adjust it a little bit. Trial number 3. You guys, I taste it. If you guys have it, you guys get a prize on Monday.
9. 1 vanilla, not yet. I added 1 drop. I might add.
And I'm not saying anything.
2
sugar.
Absolutely.
I tried to
I have no problem with that. I have no problem with what this. one, let me just say, when we come into the lab from here on out, what happened today, if this happens every Friday or every day we're in here, we're going to have a heck of a lot of fun and we're going to do a lot of learning. Couldn't be happier. All right, now I'm going to taste test. I'm going to start with yellow. I'm going to start with yellow. Yellow has a more of a Sprite.
They made lemonade.
Well, it's definitely got a citrus smell to it.
Yo, lemonade. 1 out of 10. These cups not.
It is a sweet, like a mellow yellow. Red. It's got that caramel. It's got that caramel smell to it.
Red like.
That's pretty good.
Bro, hold on, bro. They got an open.
This is pretty good, guys.
Try orange.
Purple.
Oh yeah, y'all It's nasty.
It tastes dry.
Don't do that again. Don't go start rapping.
I will tell you, it's if you took away a little bit of the cinnamon.
No, you grab it.
Orange.
Oh, yeah, this is orange. We know that's orange. Yeah, just taste it. The best, I know.
That is Pepsi.
I know.
But that is good.
We know.
That is Pepsi. So far, we've got a Pepsi that is doable. We've got a mellow yellow that is doable. We've got red reminds me of Coca-Cola, where a couple pieces of ice have melted in it. So it's Coca-Cola.
It's watered down.
But it's got that flavor. And then blue.
Bro, you laugh.
Did I do purple?
No.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
No, you did it. You
blue?
did it.
Who's blue?
Oh, yeah, but that was the one with all the, what's
Oh, he said y'all nasty.
That's nasty, I know.
No, it's actually not.
Bro, you ain't second drink on.
It's kind of a Pepsi, but not as good as the Pepsi. So I'm gonna give winning awards to orange, yellow, and red.